Hi friends, welcome to Tutor Spinning channel. Today I'm going to teach how to install the Eclipse IDE in your computer. So here, before you have to install the Eclipse IDE, the Java developers, you have to download the JDK. Right, go to the respective sites, just type JDK download, go to the respective website. Here you have to get the version. So I'm not taking the version, the newest one. I'm going to go along with the JDK 7. Click on this. Here you have to select your appropriate operating system, what the operating system you have, whether you go for Linux, you have to get them. Whether you go for the Windows, you have to go and get them. So I having a Windows operating system, so I am going to download this one, right? Okay, so here, this one, right, installer, you have to just click on this and I have downloaded and installed a machine, right? I've already downloaded and installed. You just click and download and install your machine, right? So if you click on this here, here's download as start here. After download completed, it is straightforward. You just click and install your computer. After install, you have to see, you have to go to run, you have to check the command prompt, you have to java c. Okay, here it is successfully set the path. If the path is not set correctly, you have to go to the installation directory. What's the directory you have? I'm going to go to the installation directory Java. This is if you are default, you have to install it. It's go under the program file Java. Here Java current version is Java 17. This is the version. Here go inside the bin folder. Java, your version is 17. Bin. Inside the bin folder, you have to select all the required Java JDK toolkits. These are the JDK toolkits we need in order to work with the Java program. So you have to go them. You have to select the this PC, right click properties, right? Here you have to go to the advanced setting system, select the environment variable. Here's the path. Click on this path, edit. Here you have to, I already paste them here. So already paste them. Here if you're a newer, you just click new. What is the path you have copied? You just control V to paste them and click OK. If I no need them, I already path is pasted. So I just cancel it. You first time your path is pasted, you just click OK, OK, OK. Right? I already paste, so that I just cancel it. You once you paste the path, you just click OK. After the OK, OK. That's it. That's the thing you have to do it. After done the stuff, again you have to close the command prompt. Again you have to start the command prompt. Again you have to check it Java C command to check whether the path is set to correct or not. If it is set correct, you can get this message. Right, perfect. After that, we will go and install the Eclipse IDE. Right. Here type Eclipse download. Click on this first link. If you click on this first link, you go for here. Right, so here you can see the install your favorite Java desktop IDE packages. So you can see here the packages. So you can see here you click on the download link. Right, Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, so the web developers, everything is there. So this is official website. So here, right? So I'm going to go to Java Eclipse for Java developers. You click on this. So you can click on this. This go for this link, right? If you click this, then you click on this download. Here download is started. You will be able to see the download is started. But wait until the download is completed. Now you can see here the Eclipse is installed successfully. You double click on this. Now the setup is starting on. Now we will be installing the Eclipse IDE step by step. Pop-up is started. It will be asking you are going to install which one. Okay, here this one should be Java Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Okay, so here Java developers on desktop application. You have to XML, all things Maven. These all things you can manage. Okay, for the Java developers, the core Java developers you can get them. The enterprise Java developers for developing the enterprise application, web application developers, you go along with this setup. If it is a C++ developers, you go along with these setups. If you have, if you want to developing the Eclipse IDE for Python, PHP developers, you can go along with this one. Okay, so these are the things available. Okay, so I'm going to go to Java developer. So click on this. So here you have to install that. So here you can see the Java plus V. So here you can see the versions and everything. Java. Okay, so here the default I'm going to go, click on this install. Right, accept the user agreement. You have to wait until the installation process complete. Now it has been installed successfully. Click launch. Here you will be able to see it is going to launch. Right. I'm going to create my workspace. Here have this all the my Eclipse projects. I'm going to create default it create on the C users home Eclipse. You have to browse and select your own path. Don't select as a default one because it's a project. Once you unfortunately you have to format your computer, all the project will be gone. So you have to select the folder. So I have to Eclipse project ECP. Select the project folder. Select all. Launch. Now you can see it's keeping starting the Eclipse IDE. You have to wait. Right. This is your project. Okay. It is successfully completed. Here you can see it's successfully completed. Okay. Keep. Okay. It's successfully completed. Okay. It's successfully completed. Right. So now what you're going to see, if you want to go to create a new project, you click new Java project. Here I'm going to mention the project name. You have to create the project name. So I'm going to create as first app. So in my machine I'm going to select Java version SC17. So I'm going to select go for this one environment. So here you have to select this one, CMD Java version. Click this one here, so 17, and go along with the 17. Click next. Finish it. It's no problem. Right, so that's it. That's the thing you have to do it. So here you have to close it. Now here this is your project directory, my app, src. Inside the src folder, the default is the model info Java has been created. Here this one I'm going to right click and delete them. We this no need them. It default it will be created. Okay, so you just delete them. We no need them this one anymore. Select the src folder again. Select the class. You have to select as first app. You have to give the name as a camel case. Okay, here if you want, you have to here the main method also, you don't need to type. You have to select this one, public static void main. Here you have to add it. Simply your application is generated. Here this command is I no need them. You have to write here system dot out dot println. Now here you will be able to type this here as a hello. Okay, it's working perfectly well. Right, that's the thing. You have to do it. Now you have to play button. You have to click play here. Click on this. Here you will be able to get the hello message. I hope you understood things well. This is how you have configured the Eclipse IDE in your machine. Thank you.